Here's how to check your call history on your Google account. Now, the nice thing is you can use an Android phone or an iPhone or really any other device. Now, you can choose to head into the App Store or Google Play Store and download and install the Google Voice app just by typing in voice and hitting search and downloading this app. Or it's even easier because you can open up a web browser and you can go directly to voice.google.com. After you've done that, make sure to tap on your profile at the top right and you're signed into the correct account. And you'll be able to see all of your missed calls or numbers that you have called. You can also tap on the 3 lines at the top left, and you can go to messages or voicemail. But also you might have calls in your archive as well, or you might have missed calls in your spam that Google thinks is a spam call. Keep in mind, on any of these, if you go back to calls, you'll be able to see that little red line indicates that it was a missed call. Again, I don't know these numbers, they're just random spam calls, but if they were outgoing calls, they would have a green arrow pointing over to the right, and you'll be able to see them all here. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you really like that too, and thanks for watching.